IT Governance's ISO 9001 Documentation Toolkit contains formatted and fully customizable documents, plus expert guidance to help any organization meet the documentation requirements of the International Quality Management System Standard ISO 9001-2015. If you're implementing an ISO 9001 compliant QMS in your organization, then you'll save yourself weeks of work creating the necessary documentation by using a documentation toolkit. Here are a few of the features of the ISO 9001 Documentation Toolkit. Folder structure. To reflect Annex SL and the common structure that's been applied to all of the latest International Management System standards, each section of the toolkit corresponds with a clause of ISO 9001-2015. Section 4 addresses context of organization. Section 5 addresses leadership. Section 6 addresses planning. Section 7 addresses support. Section 8 addresses operation, Section 9 addresses performance evaluation, and Section 10 addresses continual improvement. This will save you considerable time integrating your management systems and will streamline your approach to compliance. Setting up your documentation. The User Input worksheet enables you to set up bespoke fields to create customized documentation specific to your organization. This function means you can save time by personalizing all of your documents with your company name and logo and setting your classification levels in one go, without having to make the same changes to each document. Project tools. For those transitioning an existing QMS, there is an ISO 9001-2008 to ISO 9001-2015 conversion tool, which provides expert guidance and an overview of the changes introduced by the new iteration of the standard. And an ISO 9001-2008 to ISO 9001-2015 gap analysis tool, which allows you to identify the gaps in your existing QMS and see what needs to be addressed to comply with ISO 9001-2015. For those starting a QMS project from scratch, there is also an ISO 9001-2015 gap analysis tool, which allows you to compare your current processes and procedures with the standard, enabling you to direct and prioritize your project and plan the execution of your QMS. And an ISO 9001-2015 project dashboard, which helps you to keep track of the progress of tasks and documentation throughout your QMS project. Build an integrated management system. All ITGP toolkits follow the Annex SL structure. This means your ISO 9001 Documentation Toolkit can integrate with any other ITGP management system toolkit to provide you with a fully integrated management system.